laugh until it hurts to smile. Flowing in a cursive style, moving and submerge your wow. Headphones to convert the child, comic books to educate. Sent home for getting wow, failure to communicate. Not on the same page, attempt to flip the script. Stand on the same stage, attempt to get a grip. Holding by the chosen with a heart full of devotion. Continuous motion, undercurrent of the ocean. Let the blues sink in, stain in your soul. New day begins, same as the old. Another and another as your sister and your brother. You made new friends, but they spread like peanut butter. Seize the moment, view it like a poet. You got one shot, you know it, so think before you blow it. Started as an infant, it's over in an instant. Constant intent to leave a permanent imprint. The time is now, never choose to hesitate. Milk this cow, pump up your conversion rate. Written without effort, read without pleasure. Measure after measure, copy and paste it together. La la la, and blah blah blah. Shock and awe from a coup d'etat. Give it back to the people, the rightful owners. Happy ending to the sequel. Creators and performers, one and the same. Face in the brain, connect links in the chain. Put an end to the game, just don't do it. If you need to lip sync, set down the mic. Pick up a mixed drink, everyone has purpose. Continue your search, provide for dependence. You need to leave the perch. Hunt and gather, trying to climb the ladder. Finally reach the stars, the glass ceiling's been shattered. And then put a crash sound in there. Alright.